What's going on, guys? Dennis Black is here, and if you don't know me, I'm a photo and video content creator who have been into this industry for the last 4 years. Now, I don't have a huge audience on my social media, but it didn't stop me from working and creating content for some of the biggest brands and companies out there like National Geographic, Adobe, eBay, Maserati, and others. Now, I'm not saying this to show up, but rather to explain you that no matter how big is your audience, you can start making money on Instagram too. So I'm not gonna waste your time anymore, guys. I'm here to bring as much value as possible. There is no magic pill on how to instantly make millions of dollars on Instagram, but instead I can provide you with the clear instructions on which direction to move, and it's your choice if you want to learn and follow it or to stay in your comfort zone for the rest of your life. Let's do it! Boom! The first way of making money on Instagram is by working with brands and sharing a sponsored post. This is probably one of the main and most common ways how you can make money on Instagram. Now, most people think that you need to have a huge audience in order to do so, but it's not the case. Whether you have 10,000 followers or you've got 500,000 of followers, it doesn't really matter. Statistics shows that influencers with small audience on Instagram give even better results for businesses, because usually the engagement rate is twice higher than influencers who've got 500,000 followers and more. So why waiting until you grow a huge audience when you can start monetizing your Instagram account already now? You're probably gonna ask me, how do I do it and find those clients? And the answer is quite simple. You just need to reach them out. But seriously, guys, you just have to make a first step, especially when you're just starting out and don't have a big audience. They're not going to approach you by themselves. Stop thinking for too much and just send hundreds of DMs to the brands and companies that you like and want to work with, and offer them collaboration, either paid one or in exchange of the product. A lot of my first collaborations that I've done on Instagram were for free or in exchange of the product. Many people say that it's stupid and you don't have to work for free, but my personal opinion is when you're just starting out, it's quite a good way to build up your portfolio and start understand better what brands are looking for and how does this whole system works from inside. My basic principle of work was doing only one free collaboration for one particular brand that I'm interested in and no more. Otherwise, brands will start take advantage of you and it's not gonna end up well. Think about it like a free trial of your services for one day, but make sure you do an extremely good job during this trial period, so when next time brand reach you out, they know for sure that you will deliver the best content possible. Always deliver, even more than expected. By the way, guys, I'm thinking of creating an email template with exact information on what to say and what to ask for when reaching out to brand. So if that is something you would be interested in, let me know in comments down below and stay tuned for that. Second way of making money on Instagram is by creating a theme account and seller shoutouts. This way is pretty straightforward. You create a separate account on Instagram for whatever topic you like, either it's traveling, photography, fashion or something else. Then you build an audience by reposting others people's work, and when you are big enough, you start selling advertisement on your account. It can be paid shoutouts through Instagram stories or posts, depending on what client choose. The number one rule here is that your advertising placement that you offer should match already existing content on your account. Otherwise, you can lose a big chunk of audience who is not going to be happy to see it on their feed. For example, if you've got a travel-related page and some travel photographer reach you out to promote one of his photos, that is a perfect customer for you. But if someone asking you to promote a household appliances, let me quickly check.
Appliances.
But if someone asking you to promote a household appliances on your travel account, probably you should think twice before doing it. Biggest advantage of this way of making money on Instagram is that you can literally start right now without zero upfront cost. Just don't forget to give a full credit to creators that you repost the photos from. The downside is this niche is quite competitive on the platform, and there are thousands of other similar IG pages who offers the same paid features. So you have to be creative and think how your page can be different from others. The third way of making money on Instagram is by opening your shop and sell through IG platform. Now, this way of making money on Instagram is a bit harder because in order to sell actual products through Instagram, you need to have existing website. But if you already got one, it's pretty easy then. You just need to follow this step-by-step guide from Instagram in order to connect your website to the platform. Then you need to upload your products manually, or if you're using e-commerce platform like Shopify or BigCommerce, it will be automatically sync. And that's pretty much it. There are a couple of advantages of selling on Instagram. Number one, you are selling pretty much for free on the second the most popular social media app with more than 120 million unique visitors. Second, it's not news for everyone that Instagram focus has been switched already from just sharing photos. We've got Instagram Reels, IGTV, Stories, Guides, we've got everything here. Even Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, said in his latest announcement that
we're no longer a photo sharing app or a Square photo sharing app.
And shopping is one of the main features that Instagram is pushing hard as well. That's where you can see the shopping icon in your main app interface instead of the like icon. So by adding more and more new features into the shopping section on both stories and posts, your chances for sales are increases. Thanks for Instagram for this. Disadvantages? I don't see any. If it's available and it's for free, why not to use it? The other way of making money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing. Now, I've been talking about affiliate marketing more in depth in my previous video about passive income that you can watch here. But in short is you're sharing the link of the company's product or service on your IG account, and when the client purchases something or sign up to it, you get a small commission out of that sale. So everything that you have to do here is to find a brand or company that you like, ask them if they do any affiliate programs, and place the link in your bio. Pro tip here is to use a third-party apps which allow you to place multiple links to your account bio, because Instagram doesn't allow you to do that. For example, I use an app called Milkshake, which is free, where you can create kind of a landing page website and add separate sections with the unique links to it. There are heaps of other free and paid apps out there like Linktree, TapBio, ShotStack and others that you can choose from. And the last way of making money on Instagram is by providing a social media marketing services. You're gonna be surprised to find out how many people actually don't know how to use Instagram in its full potential. I've seen so many small companies that have no clue how to properly style their feed, what type of content to post, how to use stories and pages, and have no social media marketing strategy in general. So if you have a basic understanding of how does Instagram marketing works, you know how to use the right hashtags, and you can easily snap a couple of pretty images to post on their feed and make it look pretty. In this case, you can expect to earn anything from $15 per hour to $100 per hour, depending on your expertise and experience. To be honest, there are dozens of other different ways of making money on Instagram, but these are the most effective ones in my opinion. One important thing to remember is when you're just starting out making your first pennies on this platform, don't rush to quit your full-time job. It is not a stable income stream and it's quite volatile. I mean, not as volatile as investing in cryptocurrency, of course, but still, there will be months when you're gonna have dozens brands products to promote on your page, and there will be time when there are no advertisement campaigns available at all. I've made this mistake in 2018 when I've decided to quit my job and travel around the world making money by creating content online. So I moved to Bali expecting to be living just from my online income from Instagram, but it didn't work because the earnings I was getting simply was not stable. Same with affiliate commissions and shoutouts and everything else. You can't rely on just one stream of income. Always diversify. Anyways guys, that was my top 5 ways of making money on Instagram. I hope you found at least some little piece of information useful in this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if this is something you're into it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!